Formatting a business document can seem daunting, but with a little practice, you can get your document looking organized and professional. When handling important business topics, it may be tempting to format your document in a decorative or intricate fashion. However, the key to effective formatting is to keep it simple, even if your document's subject matter is complex. Simple formatting allows the content itself to be the focal point while making your document easy to read and navigate. Use traditional fonts, like Times New Roman or Arial. Be sure to left align the text. And use single-spaced paragraphs. As you use these tips, remember to be consistent throughout your document. Use 1 or 2 fonts per document, and make sure line spacing and alignment remains consistent. If you use graphics like images and charts in your document, make sure they're clear and easy to read. You can use as many graphics as needed, but don't add them solely for decoration. Unnecessary visuals can dominate the page and bury your message. Properly formatting a business document can make a big difference in the quality of your work. Take time to format and organize your message, and it will be professional, clear, and effective.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.